I welcome everybody in the house of the Lord. Yang lama kita enggak kelihatan ya. Saya mau welcome juga Samuel dengan soulmate-nya dan adik ya. Saya mau welcome semua yang berada di tempat ini ya. Today the message is which group you belong to. The message is simple. We have two groups of people, dichotomy. Ada dua grup. There are two groups of people making a long journey on a spaceship. Yeah, there are two groups. Group one is going this way, and the group two is going to a new frontier with lots of hope to reach a better life. So we want to compare these two groups. Group one, the spaceship that they are riding, went off course to outer space without a chance to reach any destination. Jadi spaceship-nya ini nyelonong ya karena salah arah atau gimana. It goes to nowhere, to outer space. So we are not going anywhere. So we just live day by day. There are plenty of foods, plenty of entertainment in the ship, but that resources will slowly dwindling down. So we are not going to anywhere. So we just live day by day. So we might as well enjoy while we can. Let us eat and drink, for tomorrow we will die. That's the philosophy in that spaceship. This group will crush each other, apathy, indifferent, and Jesus mentioned about this group. In Matthew 11:16, as we read, "To what can I compare this generation? They are like children sitting in the marketplace and calling out to others, 'We played the flute for you and you didn't dance. We sang the dirge and you didn't mourn.'" Jadi di sini spaceship ini yang satu, because if it is off course, so it's going to nowhere, probably like a black hole somewhere, and they don't have any hope. So they just live day by day, hour by hour, months by months, and years by years. And the philosophy is, let us eat and drink, for tomorrow we will die. On the other hand, we have another ship, another spaceship. This group is also on a spaceship, but this is going to a new frontier with hope of reaching a better life. So this is also another ship. They have a destination. And their philosophy is, I'm going to a city where the streets of gold are laid, where the roses never fade. So this world is not my home. I'm just passing through. So this ship is going to a new frontier. So if you compare those two ships, yeah, that's why the title of this sermon this morning is, which group you belong to? You belong to this, or you belong to this. That's just a dichotomy. So in this, I will name the group one is like hopeless group. And then group two is hope group, yeah, hopeful. As we try to analyze what happened in this ship number one, people grew in apathy, ya, tidak jadi apatis dengan hidup ini, sudah hidup senang-senangnya, dinikmati karena besok kita mati. Jadi kita akan enjoy life, kita akan melakukan apa yang, dan seringkali kelewat batas ya, karena nggak ada batasnya sebetulnya, karena there is no limit, there is no boundary. saudara-saudara, kalau saudara perhatikan di dalam dunia ini ada grup yang demikian, ada grup ini dan grup ini. Yang grup ini yang satu, kalau saudara perhatikan ada teori evolusi misalkan. Why people like evolution rather than creation? Ya, ada pendapat mengenai evolution, ada yang pendapat mengenai creation. Evolution doesn't believe that there is any supreme being. Therefore, we can do whatever we can without having to give an account to the supreme being. Ya, itu evolusi. Evolusi percaya bahwa kita datang, kita pada hari ini hidup, dan kita hidup tidak harus, karena tidak ada supreme being, tidak ada Allah, tidak ada Tuhan, so we can just enjoy life. We don't have to be responsible for what we do. So, kecenderungannya adalah, therefore, because we can do whatever we like to do, we don't have to give account to the supreme being, to the Lord, to the God. So, naturally, people don't like to be responsible. Ya, kalau saudara lihat anak-anak ya misalkan ya, naturally itu tidak mau responsible. Who did this? Not me, ya. Kita tidak mau. We don't want to be responsible. So people don't like to be responsible of what we do. Ya. Berapa decades yang lalu, we have like what you call it, the Woodstock generation. Ya, ada Woodstock generation. They just want to have a happy life, and just the peace generation, the generation X, the lost generation. Itu generasi-generasi itu semua mencerminkan they just want freedom. Freedom, ya, sebebas-bebasnya. They all want freedom, total freedom with no responsibility. This group like to live, of course, they want to enjoy life. They want to enjoy life as eating, drinking, be married, sex, dan sebagainya. So this group like to live a promiscuous lifestyle, debauchery, orgy, ya. Saya mencari kata-kata orgy itu apa ya? Orgy itu kalau saudara Markus sering lihat-lihat di Webster atau di dictionary ya. Ini saya juga lihat gitu. Orgy is a wild gathering involving excessive drinking and promiscuity. Itu yang mereka lakukan. Karena sebetulnya hidup ini adalah ya hidup ini. Tidak ada yang harus dipertanggungjawabkan, tidak harus melakukan apa-apa. Jadi kita lakukan sebebas-bebasnya, kita tidak perlu harus bertanggung jawab. So we just enjoy life. Saudara sekalian, do you know that we need to be responsible? We need to be responsible of what we do. I just have a story of my friend. Yeah. One day, this friend of mine, her sister-in-law, one day just dropped a baby girl in her house and left without leaving any address. Her sister-in-law just said, I'm too young to care for a baby. She was probably like 18 or 19 that time, the sister-in-law. And the baby was dropped in her house, in my friend's house. And now she has to take care of, because this is her niece.